Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher blender. This powerful kitchen appliance is designed to bring you consistently smooth results every time you blend. Whether you're into smoothies, shakes, or icy drinks, this blender is built to handle it all with ease. The Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher features a 40-ounce glass jar, perfect for making multiple servings in one go. Unlike plastic containers, the glass jar is durable and resistant to thermal shock, meaning it can handle hot or cold ingredients without cracking. This makes it versatile for a wide range of recipes. One of the standout features of this blender is its powerful 700-watt motor. This motor delivers plenty of power to crush ice, puree fruits, and blend ingredients smoothly. What makes it unique is the patented wave action system. Instead of ingredients sticking to the sides or needing manual stirring, this system continuously pulls everything down into the blades for a smooth and even blend. This means you get a consistent texture every time without extra effort. Speaking of blades, the Wave Crusher uses ice saber blades made from stainless steel. These blades are specifically designed for powerful ice crushing and have been tested to crush 2 tons of ice, showing just how tough and reliable they are. So if you're someone who loves frozen drinks or smoothies with a thick, icy texture, this blender is up to the task. Cleaning up is simple with this blender. The jar, lid, blades, and collar are all dishwasher safe, which saves you time and effort in the kitchen. The design also includes a unique pouring spout that eliminates messy drips, making it easier to serve your drinks without any spills. Durability is a key part of this product's design. The motor has been life-tested to blend over 8,000 frozen drinks, ensuring that this blender will last through countless uses. Plus, the cord conveniently stores inside the base, helping keep your kitchen counter neat and organized. With 14 blending functions, this blender gives you maximum versatility. From pureeing and chopping to crushing ice and stirring, there's a function for just about every blending need. The controls are easy to use with simple push buttons, so you can quickly select the right setting for your recipe. The overall dimensions make it a compact addition to your countertop, measuring just 9.5 inches deep, 6.9 inches wide, and 15 inches tall. Despite its power and capacity, it won't take up too much space in your kitchen. Whether you're making a healthy green smoothie, a refreshing frozen cocktail, or a creamy salsa, the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher is designed to give you reliable, high-performance blending every time. Its combination of power, patented technology, ease of cleaning, and durable construction make it one of the best choices on the market today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want a blender that delivers smooth results without the hassle, the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher might just be the perfect fit for your kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.